Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ProQuest, search academic databases online step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. Type the ProQuest URL into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the ProQuest login page to load completely. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check both entries for accuracy. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you've entered your credentials, locate and click the Login button. After logging in, you will be redirected to the ProQuest homepage. Here, you can browse featured content or search for specific databases. To search, find the search bar at the top of the page. Type in keywords related to your academic research. Press enter or click on the magnifying glass icon to initiate your search. Review the results based on your search terms. You can apply filters to narrow down the results if needed. Select a specific database from the options provided if you have a preference. Click on any title to access the full text content. If required, use the citation tools available for proper referencing. Finally, remember to log out of your account when finished to ensure your information remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.